Hello! Do you like to travel? I love traveling. Traveling is the best way to see the world and learn new things. In my life, I have visited a few places. I have been to the mountains and the beach. But today, I want to talk about my dream vacation. A dream vacation is a trip to a place you really, really want to visit. For me, that place is Italy. I want to go to Italy because I love history, beautiful buildings, and, of course, the food. When I think about Italy, I feel very excited. Have you ever been to Italy? Or what is your dream country? Before you travel, you have to prepare. This is the part called planning. First, I need a passport. It's a very important little book. Without a passport, I can't go to another country. Second, I need to buy a plane ticket. I usually look online because it's often cheaper. Third, I need to pack my suitcase. What should I take to Italy? For clothes, it is sunny in Italy, so I need t-shirts, sunglasses, and a hat. For a camera, I want to take many photos of the old streets. For comfortable shoes, I will walk a lot, so my feet need to be happy. Do you pack your suitcase 1 week before a trip or the night before? Now, imagine we are at the airport. The airport is a very busy place. There are many people from different countries. First, I go to the check-in desk. I show my ticket and give the worker my suitcase. Then, I go through security. It is a little slow, but it is for safety. After security, I wait at the gate. I look at the big screen to find my flight number. When the worker says, "Boarding now," I walk onto the plane. I find my seat. I like the window seat because I can see the clouds. They look like white cotton candy. I'm here. I'm in Italy. The weather is perfect. The sun is warm and the sky is blue. First, I want to see the Colosseum. It's very old and famous, and it's in Rome. It's amazing to see history with my own eyes. I take 10 photos in 1 minute. Next, I'm hungry. I go to a small restaurant. I order a margarita pizza. It has red tomatoes, white cheese, and green basil. It's delicious. In Italy, the food is very fresh. For dessert, I eat gelato. Gelato is Italian ice cream. My favorite flavor is chocolate. I also want to visit Venice. It's a very unique city in Italy. It has special traditions and festivals. In the city center, there are no roads. You cannot drive a car there. People travel by boat. They also walk. Venice is famous for Carnevale. At this festival, people wear colorful costumes and masks. Visitors love gondola rides. A gondola is a long black boat. Venice is a beautiful and special place to visit. I hope you enjoyed my dream trip to Italy. Now, I want to ask you, where is your dream vacation? Do you prefer the beach or the mountains? Write your answer in the comments. I love reading your dreams. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.